Now, as we play around with different things like flow control, you notice these little brackets. Well, those brackets actually denote scope. And let's demonstrate that. Notice those brackets? It means everything in those brackets is its own scope. So we have the outer, or the global scope, and the inner scope, which is part of this little function here. Function basically takes some sort of name, you can have a parameters list, and makes a scope block, and then you can do whatever you want in there. For example, we can just simply say, return hello world. And then we can do something like this. Ta-da! So really what's going on under the hood, you guessed it, print is calling hello, hello is returning this string. And we can make this much more complex if we really wanted to. But at the end of the day, it's accomplishing the same thing. Ta-da! We could even do something like this. You're probably sitting here going, well, this is pretty obvious, but it's important to understand that scope is a real thing and it'll have a real impact on your application. All right, let's take a couple other real quick examples here. So I'm going to say function SQFT, short for square feet. And let's say we want X and Y. This is just going to simply return X times Y. Print, and I want to say, let's make a var Y equal SQFT, and I want 12 by 13. And then we're just going to go ahead and print Y. 156 square feet. Notice how we have X in here. If we didn't have scope, we would have some very real problems. What would be going on is we would be saying X equals hello, in this case hello world, and then we would be saying X is really hello world, so it's hello world times 13. And no, don't get confused by that. Whenever you see these brackets, know that it's its own internal scope. The scope actually starts up here rather than back here.